Hello again, y'all. So, I was so excited with this one. I went on my lunch break, went to the mailbox, picked it up, unboxed it, tried it on the whole 9 yards, and started wearing it. Then I thought, oh, doggone it, I meant to do this as an unboxing. Well, it is no longer an unboxing. Obviously, it's just going to be a reveal. But I don't know if you can tell by the box, but I have now dabbled into fine jewelry with Chanel. Yes, I did. Oh, and it tells you right here on the side. White gold, medium Coco Crush Ring. And yes, comes with all of it. The box, the case, the certificate. This is a great find. Great price. I believe it was 53% off, where I paid 53% of the retail price. Anyways, it was good. Yeah, I calculated to the percentage, 53, 27, whatever discount I'm getting. I want to know what it is because that's part of my pleasure. So anyways, this is the way it comes. And yes, got it from good old Fashionphile. In this box, and then inside there's another white box. Let's see here. This is certificate of authenticity. I didn't even look at this. I just looked at the bottom. Oh, look at that. Let's see here. Oops. Oh, French. Okay, where's the English section? Okay, here we go. Thank you for your purchase. The Chanel fine jewelry piece. Okay, so this is just a catch-all for all fine jewelry. And all of their jewelry is made up of, we certify that this Chanel fine jewelry piece is made up of gold or platinum. And that's the percentage for either one of those. If it's diamonds, it says Chanel encourages respect for strict ethical standards. But it doesn't matter because I didn't get no diamonds. Maintenance of diamonds. Okay, ceramic, scratch resistant. Please take care of me. So no, white gold is what I got. Okay, and that's not me. Nope. So none of this, none of that. Is there anything else I need to know about? Okay, so a few different languages. And then notes. What do you need to take notes about? Maybe repair history, that's where we'll put it. I don't know, maintenance history. And, oh, okay then. So this was originally purchased in July of 2021 in the Siam Paragon Shopping Center in Bangkok. Alrighty. And that's it. Yep, that's it. So it's all the way from Bangkok. Thank you, whoever purchased this. It's gone to a lovely home now. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this off. It's just a, box here. And then this is it. And I can't tell if this is leather or not. Leather or pleather, but there she goes. This is she, he, they, whatever. It's going on my finger. And there you go, y'all. This is the Chanel medium. It says medium? Okay, medium. I guess there's a large. Medium Coco Crush Ring, white gold. All the way around. Isn't she lovely? Oh, love it. Okay, and so what I thought was cute, do you see this? It looks like it's just cushion at the top. It's not, it's actually an actual little pillow. So it was up there, so when it closes, it protects the ring. Like, let me give you an idea here. Do you see? So when the ring is on here, oh my goodness. When the ring is on here, the pillow is like, when it's closed, it surrounds it. So it's completely protected. It's just, they thought of everything. This is what the inside of the box looks like. And then once again, let me go ahead and put it on my finger. Oh, I guess you want to see the inside of it. So this is what the inside looks like. Oh, it's upside down. Sure is upside down. So it says Chanel. I guess this number, does this number match what? Oh, maybe this number matches what's on the card. Oh, let's see if it does. Let's see if it's truly authentic. I'm mad if it ain't. So let's say J10573. That ain't nobody's J anything. Is there a J in here at all? T63, so that's the size, 63. Then the copyright symbol in Chanel. This says Z55922. Oh, it's the next number down. Okay then. Z55922. So we're good, y'all. We're good. We're good. See right there. Second line down, Z55922. And we have Z55922. So I will definitely keep this together if I ever do decide to sell, but I doubt it. Oh, well, let me not say that because I never thought I'd sell my Cartier stuff, but it just wasn't for me. I like this very much. Yes, I do. Oh, sorry. I know. I just keep putting it on my finger and not letting you guys get a good look. See, so this is what the top looks like. This is what it looks like along the side. Let me put it on there so you don't have to look at my yucky fingers. So do you see it's like scalloped at the top? And then the Coco Crush, it's just like, what do you call it? It's like a, you know, the quilting. That's what the Coco Crush is. It's the quilted look on the jewelry. You see that? I really, really like it. I really, really do. Oh, I wonder if I have my Bulgari piece with me. Hold on. Let's see here. Look. So I was out and about. Oh, I do. Yay. I have my white gold piece from Bulgari. I was out and about the other day and I had to take it off and then I just left it in my purse. So it's still with me. So these are both 18 karat gold, white gold. So you see, it's a little bit, if you want to compare it to the B01. You can definitely see the difference in width. Coco is wider. And this is a newer ring, so maybe that's why the white gold seems to be brighter here. Maybe that's just, you know, different metal processing, who knows? But this is I love the B01 collection from Bulgari. And now I love this ring. I won't get enough of it. I really won't. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Okay, oh, let me put on my Bulgari one so you can see all three. Well, actually, it's all three. There's got a little Tiffany here, Bulgari, and Coco, old Chanel. Yay. Okay, that's all I got for y'all. Oh, I love this ring. Oh, it's just lovely. All right. I have nothing else for you today. What I am going to do is I'm going to quickly make sure that this fits on all of my fingers. So you obviously saw this finger. And now I'm going to see if it fits my middle finger. Okay, it does. Middle finger. And let's see if it fits my index. It's a little bit snugger, but it does. Oh, I really like that. Oh, I like that. Oh, it's snug. No, it's snug. Yeah, let me put it back on my third finger again. I'm just wasting time, y'all. Oh, I like it a lot. I don't know what it look like with this on top. Yeah, I'm just messing around. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys. Wait a minute now. This might not look too bad. Oh, that's a little different. Yeah? Actually, I do like that. Oh man, you can't tell me nothing now. I wonder what we look like the other way around. Huh. Ooh, I do like this. Let me see. Let me just put it all on, see what it looks like. I'm wearing rose gold jewelry today, so it's a little, I'm on like a Bulgari. This is Bulgari. This is Tiffany T1, and that's Bulgari B01 on top, and then my new Chanel. Yay! All right, y'all, that's it. I didn't want nothing. Just showing you guys what I got. All right, until next time, y'all.